Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our third lesson and our lesson topic is CapCut App Interface. So in this class, you'll be learning about the CapCut desktop app and how to work with different options and how to make a video with the help of this one. So now let's go over to our CapCut desktop app and see what we are going to do today. After coming over to the CapCut desktop app, you will have this type of interface in first. So I'll be starting with our left. In left side, you can see our particular account option is here. You can see your name and etc. The next one is home button. In home button, the first option you can see as new project. You can create a new project by clicking over this. I'll be showing you this one next. Now the next one is auto reframe. You can just reframe your particular video. And then the next one is projects. Here your particular projects will be shown. You can just access your particular projects from here. Here also the search option. You can just search your project by name. The next option is you can just arrange this as a grid or list. The next one is trash. If you click over here, you can see all your deleted items or the projects are stored here for a particular time. Then the next option is share history. If you click over here, you can see whichever file you have shared with others or they shared with you. You can just view all the files. Then you can share from here also. You can upload and you can just share. The next one is space. In space, you'll have your brand kit and your storage option. You can just store here different videos, fonts, images, stickers and etc. Then you can just create or join to a space. Like if you are working in a team, you can just use this option. You can see the recommendation. Here is the recommendation. You can just click over here and the CapCut will show you the recommendation. So now let's go over to the home option and let's click on new project. So after clicking over to the new project, it will just open this particular interface where you can just have lots of different options, tools, and you can just customize this thing accordingly. So the first one you can see as the CapCut logo, then the menu option, then your project name. Then here you can see this is as layout, shortcuts, share, export, then minimize, maximize, and then you can just exit this one. Let's go over to the menu option and see what are there. The first one you can see as file. In file, you can just create a new project, import or export. The next one is edit. You can just edit if you're having a video. Then layout. You can just arrange the layout. The layout option is present here also. Also here you can just access the layout. Then more option, you can just have the terms and condition, privacy policies and many more. Here you can see the environment testing. In environment testing, you can just test this particular CapCut is suitable for your particular desktop or not. We'll be doing this one in this video, but in later part. The next one is help. You can just give feedback and you can just access the shortcuts and you can do many more things. Then the setting option, back to home page. You can just go back to home page by clicking over here. And next one is exit button. You can just exit from here. Now here you can see lots of different options are here. The first one is media. In media option, you can just have the local, spaces, library, brand asset. In local, you can just import your particular file from your particular desktop. Suppose I click on import and I'll be uploading this particular file over here. And now you can see our particular file or the video is here. Then spaces, if you click over here, whichever there in your cloud, like CapCut Cloud will be shown here. Then library. In library, you can just see the different videos which is present in CapCut are shown here. You can just download and you can just put over here. The next one is brand asset. In brand asset, you can just see the CapCut logo. You can just create your own brand assets. Next one is audio. In audio, you can just have lots of different audios musics, you can just download this one. Sound effects are there. You can just check copyright issues are there or not. Then you can just import file from your particular device. You can link your TikTok account and then you can just have TikTok musics over here. And the brand music, you can create your brand music over here. Next one is text option. In text option, you can just have different text variation. Like you can see here, different text variations are here. You can just use this text variations. Then different type of fonts are here. Then let's go over to the sticker option. In sticker option, you can have different type of stickers here, emojis and many more. You can just download this one and you can put in your particular video. Then the next one is effect. If you want to add effects in your particular video, you can just use this one. Suppose I add a video over here and I want to add this one in my timeline. This is called as timeline. So I'll be adding here. It will take some time to load. And then let's go over to the effects. After going over to the effects, I just want to add some particular effect on this. So I'll be adding this effects. So I download this one and let's select and let's try to put over here. And now let's try to play this one. So if I play, this particular effect is not shown. I'll be using this particular one. Then the next one is transition. In transition, you can just add different type of transition over here. You can just access the transitions. Here you can see different transitions are here. You can put two different photos and you can put one transition between that. So whenever the first video is shifting to the second one, there will be a different transition. You can just customize the transitions over here. The next one is filter. In filter option, you are having different filters. You can just click over here and you can just edit the filters. The next one is adjustment. You can just adjust your particular video or image however you want. Here you can see like the video, speed, animation, all these are adjustment. Here is the tool option. This tool I'll be showing you in our later video. And the next one is here. You can see the timeline. Here in timeline, you can just drag this one. You can just work with different videos, music together, and you can have a good result. The next option, you can just go over here and click on export. You can just export over here your particular video. Now I want to mention the next one is player. In player option, it will just preview your particular video or image, whichever you are going to edit over here. You can just play, pause, you can just see the ratio and you can make it large and make it small. Here you can just see the detail option. In detail option, you can just see the name of your particular file, where it will be saved, the ratio, the resolution, frame rate. You can just modify it from here by going over here and you can just modify the frame rate, ratio, resolution, etc. Now, if you want to extract, let's click over extract. It's asking you which format you want to extract or which resolution, anything you can just put over here. I'll click over here and it will just extract. It will take some time. After that, it will be done and you'll get your particular video. So I hope you all understand about this class. If you're having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.